Hello viewers, how are you? I am the new presentation, the Make Money, the 2022, the two best positive income idea, 2022, make money online, the positive income online, $20,000. Hey guys, how are you? I am the present, my new Make Money video, the 2022 best positive income idea, the Make Money online, the positive idea income idea. The positive one idea is the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the one best, is the positive idea, the specific idea, the Amazon affiliate.com, the CPA marketing, the two CPA marketing, the two are the maxbounty.com. The C, the make money, the Amazon is there any niche, any contain your chooses the website making, then of Amazon marketing, Amazon is a lot of make money gain, like my make money gain of the online. You have the very easy and smoothly the lot of money gain the Amazon affiliate, the how to make money, the year a month every days or every days is a possible 200 to 40,000 200,000 to $1 million is possible the earn of online marketplace. There is the two idea this marketplace to 2022 2022, the same thing, the two best positive income idea 2022, the make money online, the positive income online, $20,000 to $1 lakh, $1 lakh. The first time is the number one, the affiliate marketing, the number one is affiliate marketing, the best and very effective site in the Amazon affiliate site. Bro, you can just suggest the specific income, the specific idea, the make money online, the for month 20,000 to $1,000, the millions dollar, how to possible gain the make money, specific income, the right income, and the affiliate marketing, the best side, the choosable side, the right side, and the make money, lot of make money gain. There's the Amazon affiliate side, Amazon affiliate. I can see the Amazon, www.amazon.com. Amazon.com is a lot of niche, lot of niche is what curated Amazon. The lot of niche chooses you have this the Amazon lot of ideas to make money. You are the website making the Amazon link is the marketing. The lot of make money. The Amazon product ship, Amazon drop shipping, the etc. Lot of you have this research the Amazon. Amazon is a very the world class affiliate marketing. The lot of people, the whole world make money online. The lot of people that make money online. You have the online gain, they'll make money. Amazon is a lot of oil. The Amazon the every day is money make it a lot of oil. You have this research this Amazon very important and powerful so e-commerce marketing. The worldwide a lot of Amazon. You have this research Amazon make money, a lot of $1,000 is earn of make money of Amazon. You have this Amazon any find of the Amazon, this pair shipping, the living voice of your computer, etc. The lot of customize the all side. This is Amazon Music, kids and ebooks, apps and Android, the shopping by electronics, computers and smart home, art and gallery, automobiles, babies. You have this right tab now. The often the right of your computer, the right your computer, the art and gallery, the automobiles, babies, beauty and fashion, makeup, skincare, hair care. Extra food and hands necessary, the lot of side and the 7 hairs remover, etc., etc. Just you have the research the Amazon product, the million product is the sales of Amazon marketplace, and this side this system is Amazon. This is by shop category, electronics, real, etc., etc. You have this research. You have this research. You have this research. The Amazon Amazon. You then say second step the research, second step the research. Lot of products you have this research step to step, step to step, step to step. You research the lot of product. Same things your product is step by step. Hmm. The how to make money, the health and beauties, the lot of product, a lot of people the gain the make money of Amazon affiliate site. How to possible one day $20,000 to 100 $50,000, the $1,000,000 is possible, and passive income. This is the Amazon, the first affiliate site. The second affiliate, Amazon is affiliates. Amazon is a very important part of it. Everybody, every people, we have the gain make money of Amazon. Just as the free Amazon make money, the free blogging, free Google site and the website, etc., etc. You have there's a lot of make money of Amazon affiliate site. The second specific idea is income of the CPA marketing, the cost per action. CPA marketing is a first time is a very the importance at the max bounty www.maxbounty.com maxbounty.com. I can share this the CPA marketing and CPA marketing. Number one, the max bounty is the lot of make money gain of the CPA marketing. Hey friends, you have this study and the CPA, the right choice, the passive income, the first time affiliate income number one at Amazon.com. The number CPA marketing number one site is the max bounty. Number one is the max bounty. Number one is max bounty. The everybody you have the lot of make money gain $1,000 is a make money gain Amazon. Affiliate marketing in Amazon affiliate marketing. The you have the research the Amazon website, the billion dollar is a billion dollar marketing the Amazon marketplace. You have the research any product in electronics, computers, eyes, the health and beauty, books, etc., etc. Make money blogging. Amazon is make money blogging. Click now. This is the make money blogging. Where's the make money go? The make money blogging, the positive standards, make money online. White is the work from home. This is a sales book. The lot of book sale is the online Amazon affiliate is a millions of product the marketing of Amazon affiliate. Same things you research this step by step, lot of research niche and micro niche you research then the Amazon marketplace. The second is the CPA marketing is very important, is the max bounty. Thank you very much. I have the two specific idea is the my videos. The one ideas is the the affiliate marketing number one is the Amazon website. Number two, CPA marketing is a max bounty number one website. You have the make money gain. Thank you very much, oh my friend. And how to make money, the specific idea to income is the make money online, the positive income, and the positive income the online $20,000 to $100,000, the millions dollar is possible. The Amazon affiliate marketing number one, the number one affiliate marketing number one, the first position, the Amazon affiliate Amazon affiliate.com, Amazon.com, the CPA marketing number one, the number one max bounty. The hi friends, you have this the two positive best income. You're targeting the marketplace, the Amazon affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. You have this research. The market is the Amazon marketing, Amazon website, the how to make money, gain the online top of ebook, etc., etc. The second position is the make money. Second position is the make money on max boundary. I can record the all friends, how are you, all friends. You have the trying the make money, gain the $1,000 earned for this, the make money, the 200, 2000, $20,000 onto a day is possible. The Amazon and max bounty CPA. Thank you very much, my old friends and participants. You have liked these videos and subscribe and comment, share. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my all participants. Thank you very much, my all audience. The best of luck. You have the study and the right or Pacific or income on online. The two best positive idea 2022 make money online. The positive income, the online $20,000 to $100,000. The first position affiliate marketing number one. The number one website is amazon.com. the CPA marketing, the $1,000 and on day of income, the number one, the max bounty. Thank you very much watching my video. Best of luck, my all friends, all audience.